Alright guys, so basically while I'm basically downloading outside, so I just want to talk to you guys.
Yep, that was me. That was the first video I ever made. It was bad, right? So how did I get here? Let's start from the beginning. I was more interested in technology and computer stuff. I want to become a hardware engineer when I grow up. Soccer, BMX biking, those are my hobbies, was never something to do with art. It's kind of funny, here I am, this whole film about I'm chasing my dream as a filmmaker. It's kind of funny how life works like that. I was a student in high school, I grew up in a small city in China, that was kind of my thing. I was always had a little bit interest in video camera. I like always videoing my life in unsuspecting moments and capture every frame of the life. Filming travel video moments. When I look at the video footage on the screen and thinking, oh wow, being able to see the entire mountain or city on my screen. I start taking pictures like little things such as grass or small plants, spending the whole afternoon finding the right angle, just trying to be creative, and it hit me so hard so fast. The past is just that, and the future doesn't yet exist. All we may really have is now. And if life is a culmination of experiences, now moments are gone all too fast. I believe it is important to celebrate those moments, to celebrate and amplify our life. That's what I love about the film.